Hey guys, it's Housewife in Heels. I'm here with my latest video. One of my subscribers, Stefan, has sent me 2 more pairs of hosiery. I do not know what they are, so I'm going to open up the package right in front of you and see what they are together. And then, of course, I will try them on and then go ahead and tell you how I initially feel about the pairs that he sent me. So we are just going to open them up, open them up, and get right into it. So, Stefan very kindly sent me this package. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. Now, if only I could figure out how to tear it open. So I'm just going to go right in. Hopefully I don't hurt the precious cargo. And let's see what we have. Oh, more Ambras. Okay. Whew. If I can get these out. Oof. Ambra Bodyshaping 15. I get 15 denier. That's what I thought. Let's let you guys take a look at the package so you can see what it says. These have a control top. And they actually have cotton in them. That's different, but that works. I have tried this brand, but I don't think I've ever tried anything in a 15 denier. I could be totally wrong because I have so many pairs of hose at this point I lose track. But they're very pretty and my favorite color in black. So hopefully they will fit. And oh, and they have a reinforced toe. So I'm gonna tear into these however you do. Okay, here we go. Oh no, I didn't mean to quite literally tear it open, but that's okay. It's the tights inside, not the box that I care about. Now I gotta figure out how to open these. Okay, here we go. So, ooh, these, you can feel they are very sheer. You can definitely feel they are quite sheer. Okay, these do have quite a thick control top, so if you or you know somebody who is a little bit insecure about maybe a pooch or just their midsection in general, these might be a really good fit for you already. Yep, you could definitely see how sheer they are. These look pretty. These look very, very pretty. I could just tell they're already gonna look super nice on the leg. Like, you can probably see my hand right through them. Yeah, these feel very good quality, and I am looking forward to trying them on for you. But first, I have something else to attend to, the second pair. Don't know what brand it is. We'll find out in one moment. Fiore. Okay, this is the front. This is how the package looks. Body Care Total Slim 40. I don't believe I have a 40 denier. Wow, this is new. Yeah, I'm almost positive I do not have a 40 denier. I have an 80 denier with my Cozy Wow, but this is a happy in between. Very interesting. Total slim, so I'm assuming that these are going to be a little bit more tight fitting than most, more restrictive than most. I'm just trying to read everything on the back so that way I can better inform you guys what they are. Silver antibacterial. I have never heard of an antibacterial type before, so that'll definitely be interesting. But of course I want to take it out and see how they feel. Oh, these look like they're in a graphite gray. It just says graphite, but it's definitely not black, so they're definitely a gray. I do not have any gray in my collection, so this is a nice little surprise. I am quite happy about that, actually. So, let me just get the cardboard out of the way and I can take a look. Yeah, these have a reinforced top from the feels of it, but not as reinforced as the pair of Ambras that I just showed you guys. And these, you can tell, you can't see my hand through it, so they definitely are nowhere near as sheer as the other ones, but no surprise, 40 denier. These will definitely give me a lot more coverage. And they look like they have a bit of sheen to them, so these are actually quite pretty themselves. And there is a reinforced toe, It's not really visible, which if you guys are familiar with me, you know I like that because I tend to wear shoes that show lots of toe cleavage. And if there's a big line, I've said this time and time again, but it annoys me, so I like when there isn't an obvious reinforced toe. That's just my own personal taste. I know others like a reinforced toe, but to each his own, right? So I'm going to go ahead, throw these on, do my little walk around in them for a minute, and then I'll tell you how I feel about each pair. So I will see you guys in a bit. Later. Alright guys, I'm back. So just to save time, I'm only going to be doing my little first impressions while wearing the Fiores and just kind of holding on to these like I've done in previous videos. Just to save time because I don't want this to be like a 20-minute video. To start with the ones that I am wearing right now, you could definitely tell that there's a lot more coverage on these than there were the Ambras. And they do sort of remind me of support hose. They do reinforce the leg, and in hosiery terms, reinforcement means it's going to be more restrictive. It's meant to clean up things that may make you feel a little bit insecure if you have it, like say cellulite. It's just a little bit of a tighter hold just to make things have a nice, smooth, pretty surface. And you definitely do feel that when you wear these. So if you're somebody or you happen to know someone who is a little bit insecure about their legs and wants a pair of hosiery, these might be a good fit, at least based on my first time wearing them. So overall with these, I am pretty happy. And upon wearing them, I have discovered there is a slight reinforced toe, but it is almost invisible. It's there, but it's nearly invisible. You wouldn't even be able to pick it up on camera. I certainly wouldn't, so just take my word for it. Now, as far as the Ambras, these are very sheer. I mean, you guys saw it for yourselves just how sheer these are, and they feel very soft and easy to wear. Reinforced pair of hose like these are not super easy to wear, whereas these are. They, as you can tell, quite sheer, aka quite soft. And there's no real reinforcement to the leg, it just has the support control top, so all of your reinforcement, aka restriction, is going to be up in the abdomen area. So if you're someone who really doesn't have an issue with their legs, or you happen to know someone, but they do feel a little bit insecure about their midsection, then these might be a good fit. They are fairly easy to get on and off, even though they are a control top. In fact, I believe both of these are a control top, and they were fairly easy to get on and off for me. So overall, they feel like a pretty good quality. I will say, it even picked up on camera, that in the Ambras, I'm not sure if this is an issue with just how sheer they are and making the fabric quite delicate, but upon taking them out of the package and trying them on, I did notice a few snags here and there. They were very, very tiny, but there were a few here and there. So if that's something that bothers you straight out of the box, then you might want to be on the lookout for that as far as this particular kind of Ambras are concerned. But really, that's my only issue that I've noticed with both pairs of the tights. There's no snags or any sort of imperfections in the Fiores. So if you're worried about things like that, go for something like the Fiores. But other than that, I think that'll about do it. And it's pretty good that I only find one little imperfection to worry about, but that's okay, it happens. I mean, these aren't Wolfords after all. If they were Wolfords, I'd be really complaining. But I think that'll about do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe you learned something. Maybe you just like to watch me talk about tights and whatnot, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next one. Bye!